need someone in my life to give it structure, to handle all the selfish ways I'd spend my time without her. You're everything I want, but I can't deal with all your lovers. You're saying I'm the one, but it's your actions that speak louder. Giving me love and you are down and need another. I've gotta get away and let you go. I've gotta get over, but I love you so.
I Love You So tells the story of a man's inner struggle in a relationship with his lover, depicting the struggle with his partner through song and finally finding himself wanting to be without him despite his strong love for him. About the Walters. The Walters were an independent five-piece indie rock band from Chicago, Illinois, composed of lead vocalist Luke Alson, lead guitarist Walter Costner, rhythm guitarist vocalist MG Tirabassi, bassist Danny Wells, and drummer Charlie Acaus. As of 2017, they had released 2 EPs and 3 singles and were touring to United States on the first national tour. The band performed at prominent Chicago venues such as the Metro, House of Blue, Riot Fest Chicago, and the 2017 Lollapalooza Festival. Their first EP, Song for That, placed on the United States Viral Top 50 list on Spotify. The Walters have described their music as cardigan rock and are generally classified as indie rock. History. The, the band formed in Chicago, Illinois in 2014 after the band guitarist and namesake Walter Costner moved from Connecticut to Chicago to attend DePaul University. After dropping out of the school, Costner recruited the rest of the band members who eventually walked from the Walters. That same year, the band released their first recording effort, Song for That. The release saw the band charting on Spotify United States Viral Top 50, which caught the attention of Canvasback Records. As part of the label ongoing monthly single series, Canvas Club The Walters released two songs, entitled Heartbeats and I Want to Be Good. Their song I Love You So has earned over 15 million views on YouTube since 2014. In a September 2015 interview with Bin New Podzaini from this day, the band stated that the name of their APS and single are not always reflection of the music content and were intended to use for their humor or because the band liked the name. During 2015, the band also recorded their second full-length effort, Young Man, which was also an independently recorded and distributed release. This record was followed up with an early 2017 release of a single and accompanying music video entitled She Gonna Leave You, working with producer Phil A.K. In 2017, the band began their first national tour and also performed at the Lollapalooza Music Festival on September 23. The band announced via their Facebook page that they currently had no future plans to release new music at the Walters. In a April 2021 interview, lead vocalist Luke also stated that the band broke up with him and that it was a pretty tough pill to swallow. Following the band breakup, also started a solo career under the moniker L. Martin, while the remaining members formed a new band calling themselves Corduroy. Later in 2021, their song I Love You So from the EP Song for That went viral on TikTok, appearing in more than of October 24, 2021. I Love You So menceritakan kisah perjuangan batin seorang pria dalam hubungan dengan kekasihnya, menggambarkan perjuangan ini dengan pasangannya melalui lagu-lagu dan akhirnya menemukan dirinya ingin tanpa dia meskipun cinta yang kuat untuk dia. The Walters adalah band indie rock independen beranggotakan 5 orang dari Chicago, Illinois yang terdiri dari vokalis Luke Alson, gitaris utama Walton Costner, gitaris vokalis ritme EMG Tira Bassi, bassik Danny Wells, dan drummer Charlie Eckhouse. Pada tahun 2017, mereka telah merilis 2 EP dan 3 single yang melakukan tur ke Amerika Serikat pada tur nasional pertama mereka. Band ini tampil di tempat-tempat terkemuka di Chicago seperti Metro, House of Blue, Riot Fest Chicago, dan Festival Lollapalooza 2017. EP pertama mereka, Song for That, ditempatkan di daftar top 5 viral Amerika Serikat di Spotify. The Walters telah menggambarkan musik mereka sebagai cardigan rock dan umumnya diklasifikasikan sebagai rock indie. Sejarah: band ini dibentuk di Chicago, Illinois pada tahun 2014 setelah gitaris band dan nama Walter Costner pindah dari Connecticut ke Chicago untuk kuliah di DePaul University. Setelah putus sekolah, Costner merekrut anggota band lainnya yang pada akhirnya akan membentuk The Walters. Pada tahun yang sama, band ini merilis album rekaman pertama mereka, Song for That. Rilis ini melihat band ini masuk chart di Spotify Amerika Serikat viral top 50 yang menarik perhatian Canvasback Record. Sebagian dalam dari seri single bulanan label yang sedang berlangsung, Canvas Club, The Walters merilis 2 lagu berjudul Hang Black, Han Beats, and I Want to Be Good. Lagu mereka I Love You So telah ditonton lebih dari 15 juta kali di YouTube sejak tahun 2014. Dalam wawancara September 2015 dengan band Neopodgeni dari This Day, band ini menyatakan bahwa nama EP dan single mereka tidak selalu mencerminkan konten musik dan malah dipilih karena humor mereka atau karena band menyukai nama tersebut. Sejak tahun 2015, band ini juga merekam album full length kedua mereka, Young Man, yang juga merupakan rilisan yang direkam dan didistribusikan secara independen. Rekaman ini ditindaklanjutkan dengan rilis awal tahun 2017, sebuah single dan video musik pengiring berjudul She Gonna Leave You, bekerja sama dengan produsen Phil Eike. Pada tahun 2017, band ini melalui tur nasional pertama mereka dan juga tampil di festival musik Lollapalooza. Pada tahun 23 September, band ini mengumumkan melalui halaman Facebook mereka bahwa mereka saat ini tidak memiliki rencana masa depan untuk merilis musik baru sebagai The Walters. Dalam sebuah wawancara April 2001, vokalis Luke Alson menyatakan bahwa band putus dengan dia dan itu adalah pilihan yang cukup sulit untuk ditelan. Setelah band bubar, Alson memulai karir solo di bawah moniker L. Martin, sementara anggota yang tersisa membentuk sebuah band baru menyebut dirinya mereka Corduroy.